Hello students, good morning. Today is Friday 14 August. Today we take the math subject. Student, open your math book and on page number 15, before, after and between. Look at the number strip given below. Here you given the number strip from 0 to 20. Look at this number 13, which is circled with red color. Look at this number 13. Here the number 12 and 14 is given. Student, 12 comes before 13 and 14 comes after 13. It means 12 becomes before 13. Means in Marathi 12 हा 13 च्या अगोदर आहे. Before means अगोदर. So 12 is before 13 and 14 after 13. Means in Marathi 14 हा 13 च्या नंतर आहे, म्हणून नंतर या शब्दाला आफ्टर असे म्हणतात. That means 14 is after 13. Here write the numbers just before the given numbers. Students, here you write the numbers which is before, just before this number. So here number 9 is given. You write here the number which is just before the 9. So in number strip, which number is just before the 9? 8. So we write here 8. Then the just before number of 13 is 12. So we write here 12. Then the number which is just before number 20 is 90. Look at here. 90 is just before the number 20. Student, as like this you complete these 3 also. Then write the number just after the given numbers. Student, here you given the number 6 and you write here the number which is just after this number, that is 6. So you write here the number 7 which is just after the number 6. Look at here, the 7 is just after the number 6. So we write here the number 7. Then 10. Here also you write just after the number 10, which is 11. 11 is just after the number 10. So you write here 11. Then 19. Which number is just after the 19? 20. So you write here 20. And as like this you complete the given also. Write the number between the given numbers. Student, here you given the 3 triangles and 2 numbers are given and you write the number which is between these 2 numbers. So here your given number is 11 and 13. So you should find the number between these two numbers. So we look at the number strip. Here 11 is given here and 13 is here. So which number is between these two numbers? 12. So you write the number here is 12. Same as 18 and 20. You should find the number which is in between 18 and 20. So we look here. Here is number 18 and here is number 20. Which number is between these two numbers? 19. So you write here 19. And as like this, complete the given below these two also. On page number 16, fill in the boxes with the correct number. What comes before, after and between? Here the number 8 is given. You should write here the which number is before 8. So students, which number is before 8? Yes, the number 7 is before 8. So you write here the number 7. Then 10. Student, you write here the number which is after 10. So which number is after 10? 11. So you write here 11. Here two numbers are given, 11 and 13. You write the number which is in between these two numbers, that is 11 and 13. So you write here which number? Yes, you write here 12. As like this, you complete the remaining also. Then fill in the boxes and write the answers. Here dot dot is after 5. Students, which is this number? 6 is after 5. Second, 18 is after. So which number is here? 17. Because 18 is after 17. 14 is before dot dot. So which number is here? 15. Because 14 is before 15. Then dot dot is before 20. So which number is here? 19. Because 19 is before 20. Here students, you find here 6 is between dot dot and dot dot number. So which these two numbers? 5 and 7. So you write here 5 and 7. Then dot dot is between 17 and 19. So which number is between 17 and 19? Yes, 18. So you write here 18. Okay students. Then on page number 17, missing numbers. Look at the pattern and write the missing numbers. Students, here some patterns are given. This first line is some smileys are given, and on this smileys the numbers is written 7, 8, 10 and 12. You write the missing number from this series. So which number is here? 8, 9, 10. So you write here number 9. Then 10, 11, 12. So you write here the number 11. Then here sun are given. and the numbers on which is given 14, 16, 18, and the missing numbers are 15 and 17. And after this our series is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You also complete this also. Then write the missing numbers on the kites. Here you see the one boy is flying kites and some numbers on these kites are written. Here the number is 13, here number is 15, here is 18 and here is 19. And you complete the missing numbers. So after 13 which number is comes? 14. 13, 14, 15. After 15 which numbers are comes? 16, 17, 18, 19. So you write here number 16 and here 17. Okay.